Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to view your Amazon order history. Open the website, then click on the account and list on the upper right part of the screen. Now you will see a Sign In tab. Click on Sign In. Enter your email or phone number. Then click Continue. Then enter your password, then click Sign In. Once you're signed in, you will see several options at the top right part of the screen. Click on the option that says Returns and Orders. On your order screen, you will see a drop-down arrow that shows the past months of your order history records. Click on the drop-down arrow. In this video, we chose to view our latest order history. Now you will see your order history. That's how you view your Amazon order history. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.